Hello, this is Connor with Amelia Island Microgreens, and today I am on Amelia Island, and I wanted to show you what it was that made Amelia Island so special. So today I'm here with Vegecooking, and we are going to do an interview on one of the many reasons why Amelia Island is so special. So Tracy, tell me a little bit about Vegecooking.
I'm glad to. Vegecooking is a totally portable educational kitchen, basically. We take our kitchen and we help people learn to cook and love their veggies. I can come to you, you can come to me. Tonight, we actually have a class here at the Rec Center on Elm Street in Fernandina Beach, but I also have classes in Camden and I can do private classes as well.
That's really cool. So what ages do you teach?
That's an interesting question. I have all ages. Typically we start at age 6 and up, but sometimes I do have 5-year-olds that can handle it. It just depends on their motor skills and their attention span. But I also do my Adult and Me classes for ages 3 and up, where a child with an adult comes, and I say my adult and me because it's not always mommy. All the way up to, I've had some 80-year-olds take classes. So I span the gamut, just depends on what you need.
That's really cool. So is it just vegetables or do you cook anything else?
I know the name is a little misleading. It is Vegecooking, but we do a lot more than just vegetables. What we find is that most people need help learning to love their veggies, and that's our motto, is learn to cook and love your veggies. So we do many other things, but veggies are sort of our main staple, and we always learn about a key ingredient in each class.
So when is your next class?
Oh, I'm so glad you asked. Tonight is our last class of the session, and next week there's a break because there's the holiday. So our next class will start on February 28th right here at the Rec Center in Nassau County, and I'm hoping to have more locations soon.
That is really exciting.
I think so. I'm excited. This is our first session that we had here in Nassau, and so I'm just hoping to continue to grow.
Do you feel like it's been good here?
Yes, I have some amazing little chefs. I absolutely love what I do, and it's really cool getting to know all the chefs, and they come with a lot of different ability levels. Some you can tell have never been in the kitchen before. Some are in the kitchen with grandma or mom all the time, and we just all get along and work together to make the recipes, and they love it.
That sounds really fun.
It is. I like it, and they like it, so.
So how long do your sessions usually last?
Okay, so I'm going to answer that in 2 ways because some people might want to know this. Each class is an hour and 15 minutes. So like tonight, we are in class from 4:30 to 5:45, but each session is anywhere from 10 to 11 weeks long, depending on holidays and things like that. So it's all on our website, and it will tell you if it's a 10-week session or an 11-week session.
That sounds really fun.
We went to 3 sessions throughout the school year this year. We used to do 6 shorter ones. A lot of paperwork with that. The parents had to keep registering, so we went to 3 longer sessions. And then we do have summer camps as well, but our main thing is our after-school cooking club during the school year.
So if someone was interested, how would they sign up?
Very good question. So here in Nassau County at the Rec Center, you actually have to call the Rec Center to register. And that number is, I believe, 904-310-3350, if my memory serves me correctly. You will have to fill out some waivers online as well, but when you go to our website, you will notice that the Nassau County classes say 0. Doesn't mean that they're free, it just means that you have to register through the Rec Center and then fill out our waivers online.
That is really cool. So we brought our own microgreens for you to try. Would you like to try some?
Yes!
So this is our wasabi mustard.
And we're looking at maybe doing a microgreens class together, right?
Yeah,
sometime.
that would be really fun.
Ooh, I like those. Ooh, there is a kick there.
Yeah, there is.
How do you get rid of that kick if you don't want it?
So you would put it in a soup or a sandwich. It will kind of calm that kick down, but you'll still have that flavor too.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
So if someone wanted a microgreens tray, where would they get that?
They could go on our website, AmeliaIslandMicrogreens.com, or they could go to our Instagram and Facebook, which is also Amelia Island Microgreens.
Okay, so you did a much better job than me, so now I have to tell them my website is vegecooking.com/Camden. We're also on YouTube and Instagram, and you can call me. You can email me, you can text me, whatever works best for you. But veggie, vege-cooking.com/Camden.
Thank you.
Thank you for having me. I enjoyed tasting your microgreens and talking a little bit about classes.
Me too.